Watercress is native to the Mediterranean region. It is recorded that the Romans used it as an herbal remedy for scurvy in the early days, and it was only later that it came to be regarded as a vegetable. In 1808, an Englishman named William Bradbury set up the first watercress farm in Europe and designed a special irrigation system for its cultivation, using ditches and dams to regulate the depth and temperature of the water. This irrigation technique was later extended to the rest of Europe, where people could now eat fresh watercress for most of the year, not just in spring, as before. There is a legend in the Cantonese-speaking world that a Chinese businessman named Huang Sheng contracted a lung disease while doing business in Portugal, and accidentally eating a wild plant grown in shallow water cured his cough. In the 1930s, when Huang Sheng returned to China to visit his family, he brought the seeds of this wild plant back to his hometown in Guangdong province and distributed them to the local villages for planting, which soon spread to neighboring Hong Kong and Macau. The people of Macau called the Portuguese Westerners, so they called the wild plant from Portugal Western vegetable. In Hong Kong, watercress soup with almond is a famous therapeutic dish, with other common ingredients such as pork bones, preserved duck kidney, carrots, red dates, urial seeds, etc. It is believed that watercress soup with almond is effective in moistening the lungs, clearing heat, resolving phlegm and relieving cough, which may be related to the legend that Huang Sheng used watercress to cure his lung disease. In those years, Hong Kong's watercress growing areas were concentrated in Mong Kok, and there was even a street called Sai Yung Choi Street, Watercress Street, which shows the popularity of watercress. The shape of the watercress leaf resembles that of a bean leaf, which is where the official Chinese name, duban, bean, vegetable comes from, because of its high content of natural antioxidants, vitamins. For example, vitamins A, C, E, folic acid, and calcium. Watercress is considered a superfood by nutritionists. In addition to its nutritional value, watercress has a reputation as a natural dryness remover and is an ideal dietary choice for people with chronic pharyngitis, coughs and nosebleeds. In North America and Europe, watercress can be eaten raw, tossed into salads, used as dressings, or cooked and pureed into vegetable soups. In Hong Kong, it is common to cook watercress with pork bones or seafood in soup, but it can also be boiled in plain water or stir-fried in a vegetarian style. In recent years, due to the global popularity of hot pot, watercress is often used as an ingredient for hot pot, boiled and dipped in sauces. In South Korea, watercress can be seen in the dishes such as fermented soybean paste, seasoned salad, pancake, pork bone and potato soup, and fried rice. Today, 2 easy recipes to cook watercress, 1 veggie and 1 meat, are introduced here. Bacon Watercress Pancake is an original creation of Uncle Seoul, and we hope you enjoy it.
西洋菜原生于地中海一带，有记载罗马人早期将西洋菜当作草药来治疗坏血病，后来才被视为蔬菜食用。1808年，一位叫做 William Bradbury 的英国人在欧洲建立了第一个西洋菜农场，为西洋菜的人工栽培设计了一套特殊的灌溉系统，利用沟渠水坝来调节水的深浅和温度。这项灌溉技术随后被推广到欧洲其他地方，当地人从此一年中大部分时间，而不是像以前一样仅限于春季，都能吃到新鲜的西洋菜。在讲粤语的地区有这样一个传说，一位叫做黄生的华侨商人早年在葡萄牙做生意期间得了一场肺病，因为采食了一种潜水中的野菜，竟然把咳嗽治好了。20世纪30年代，黄生回国探亲时，将这个野菜的种子带回家乡广东，并分给乡亲们种植，很快传至邻近的香港和澳门。澳门人称葡萄牙人为西洋人，于是把这种从葡萄牙带来的野菜就叫做西洋菜。 在香港，西洋菜杏仁汤是一道食疗名菜，其他常见配料有猪骨、腊鸭肾、胡萝卜、红枣、芡实等等。香港人相信西洋菜杏仁汤有润肺清热、化痰止咳的功效，这可能与黄生用西洋菜治好了肺病的传说有关。当年香港种植西洋菜的地区集中在旺角一带，甚至有一条街名就叫做西洋菜街，可见西洋菜的普及和受欢迎程度。西洋菜叶形状很像豆瓣叶，这也是它的正式名称豆瓣菜的由来。由于富含天然抗氧化剂、维生素，比如维生素 A、C、E、叶酸和钙，西洋菜被营养学家视为超级食物。除了自身的营养价值以外，西洋菜素有天然清燥的美誉，对于慢性咽炎、咳嗽、鼻出血的人群而言是理想的食疗选择。在北美和欧洲，西洋菜可以生吃、拌成沙拉、做成蔬菜酱，或者磨碎后煮成蔬菜浓汤。用西洋菜搭配猪骨或海鲜煲汤是常见的粤菜做法，另外也有清水煮和素炒的原味吃法。近几年，由于火锅的全球流行，西洋菜也经常被用作涮锅食材，煮后蘸酱吃。在韩国，大酱凉拌、煎饼、猪骨土豆汤、炒饭都可以看到西洋菜的身影。今天为大家介绍了一荤一素两种做法，而西洋菜培根煎饼是 Uncle So 的独家原创，希望大家喜欢。